Hey everyone, are you ready to start your crypto journey but feeling overwhelmed by all the apps out there? I've got you covered. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 best crypto trading apps that are perfect for beginners. These aren't just random picks. I've personally tested over 12 different crypto apps in the past few years, and these 5 consistently deliver the best experience for new traders. Whether you want to buy your first Bitcoin, try automated trading, or earn passive income from your crypto, these apps will help you do it safely and easily. So grab a notebook, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive in. App number 1, Binance, the all-in-one giant. Let's start with a big player, Binance. This is probably the first app that comes to mind when people think crypto trading, and there's a good reason for that. Why Binance is perfect for beginners. A user-friendly interface. Even your grandma could figure this out. Lowest trading fees in the market, more money stays in your pocket. Huge selection. You can find almost any cryptocurrency here. Multiple ways to make money: spot trading, futures, staking, and more. The game-changer feature, Auto Invest. This lets you automatically buy crypto using something called dollar cost averaging. Basically, instead of trying to time the market, which is super hard, you invest a small amount regularly. It's like putting your crypto investing on autopilot. Perfect for complete beginners who want everything in one place. App number 2, Bybit, the copy trading champion. Next up is Bybit, and this one's become my personal favorite recently. Here's why it's amazing for beginners. What makes Bybit special? Copy trading feature. This is huge. You can literally copy the trades of professional traders. Think of it like having a crypto mentor who trades for you. Super low fees. Your profits won't get eaten up by charges. Trading bots. Set up automated trading strategies without being a tech genius. Multiple income streams. Spot trading, futures, staking, savings accounts. The standout feature, that copy trading system is pure gold. You can see exactly how well each trader is performing, then copy their moves. It's like having a professional trader in your pocket. Perfect for beginners who want to learn from the pros while making money. App number 3, Bitget, the beginner's paradise. Bitget might not be as famous as the others, but don't sleep on this one. I started using it in 2021, and it's specifically designed with beginners in mind. Why Bitget rocks? Beginner-friendly futures trading. They make complex stuff simple. Excellent copy trading. Even better metrics than some bigger apps. Regular competitions. Win bonuses just for trading. Easy staking options. Earn passive income with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins. The unique advantage, their futures trading is designed for beginners. Most apps throw you into the deep end, but Bitget holds your hand and teaches you step by step. Perfect for new traders who want to explore futures trading safely. App number 4, KuCoin, the hidden gem hunter. KuCoin is where the magic happens for crypto gem hunters. This is your ticket to finding the next big cryptocurrency before everyone else. What makes KuCoin unique? Massive coin selection, hundreds of smaller coins you won't find elsewhere. Trading bots, automate your trading strategies. Crypto lending, lend your coins to other traders and earn daily interest. Community-driven, great for discovering new projects. The killer feature, access to new and upcoming cryptocurrencies. While other apps have the popular coins, KuCoin lets you invest in potential future winners before they explode in price. Perfect for adventurous beginners who want to discover new opportunities. App number 5, Luno, the simplest star. Last but definitely not least is Luno, the perfect first app for absolute beginners. Why Luno is beginner heaven? Bank account deposits. Connect directly to your bank. Super simple interface. No confusing charts or complicated features. Built-in wallet. Store your crypto safely. Educational resources. Learn while you earn. Savings wallet. Earn interest on your Bitcoin and other crypto. The best part, Luno removes all the scary, complicated stuff and just lets you buy, sell, and store crypto easily. Plus, the educational content actually teaches you what you're doing. Perfect for complete beginners who want to start small and simple. Key tips. Before we wrap up, here are my top 5 tips for using these apps safely. 1. Start small. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. 2. Use multiple apps. Spread your risk and take advantage of different features. 3. Always do your research. Understand what you're buying. 4. Enable security features. Use two-factor authentication on every app. 5. Keep learning. The crypto world changes fast, so stay informed. Remember, crypto can be risky, but with the right tools and knowledge, it can also be incredibly rewarding. And there you have it, the 5 best crypto trading apps for beginners. Each one offers something different, so pick the one that matches your goals. Want simple? Go with Luno. Want to copy pros? Try Bybit. Want everything in one place? Binance is your friend. Which app are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto education. I'll see you in the next one. Happy trading!